Way to show up late. I've already been doing so much work today.
Boy, I just had to go, you know, early morning coffee, street race, you know.
You told me you were gonna help me all day work on the car.
Well,
what time is it?
10 a.m.
No, it's not. What time is it?
It's F1 Sunday. What do you want from me, okay? I can go watch the F1 race.
Slacker. Yeah, show us how your window's broke.
Don't judge me.
Did you break it?
I gotta show this to you guys. My boy Kellan bought a beautiful Volkswagen R.
Say what up, fam. Dude, can you give me a quick walk around?
Yeah, of course.
This thing is beautiful.
Mint black 2018 Golf R here.
Active Aero?
Some Pretoria wheels on the side, 19-inch. Just some nice all seasons from Continental on the side. A little bit of 300 almost horsepower at the crank.
Absolutely beautiful.
Go ahead and pull the handle there, Steven, for the...
I'll be honest, Kellan gave me a ride in it, and for a 4-cylinder turbo, this thing scoots.
Where's the faucet? No Montana, but I tell her pop it. Ay. You pick credit and you only doing window shopping. Ay. I just ride up no Tabasco, but you know I'm saucing. Ay. Every day I be your girl trending topic. Ay. I'm Coachella, I got bands on bands on bands on bands on bands. About to Skrilla, you ain't dripping, homie. Come and get your mess. I'm Coachella, I got bands on bands on bands on bands on bands. About to Skrilla, you ain't dripping, homie. Come and get your mess. Kurt Cobain, bitch, I go Odie. Then I go fuck on her homie. White whip, but I'm not Tony. I go break bread with the Brodies. I'm wearing Rav, not Jody. Take me a hit, now I'm floating. I get the girl on demand. I got G's on my sleeve. I get the B's on my mans. I do not fuck with no hams. I do not fuck with no handout. I'ma just get my bands out. That girl saw like a van door. I'ma just bring out the camcord. Catch me a flat on a Concord. Chain so sick, got cold sores. Used to ride up in a 04. Ain't got none to show for. My new girl, I wore so much, I think she need a snowboard. She gon' call me over. She see my neck got colder. I feel like a chauffeur.
Yeah. Thoughts?
I like it.
Beautiful daily.
Yeah, it looks good. I like the black too.
I love me some black cars. Awesome purchase, Kellan. I love it.
He was giving us rides earlier, and it gives you a pretty good like back in the seat feel.
Oh, it goes.
From launch too.
It goes.
It's not slow. It's not slow for sure.
Bryce, you're gonna have to let me know what's going on here to our left.
I'm not sure yet. Got a bunch of new shiny parts.
What is that?
Oh, that thing. Well, I stumbled on it actually. It was tucked away. This garage.
Give us a rundown. Come on.
Nothing special.
Let's hear the whole story.
Well, it's a 2002 WRX. You can actually open it up. Crawl in passenger side over here. Pretty clean.
Dude, absolutely clean.
But nothing special. It is bone stock.
That's
It
the way
has
we like them.
186,000 stock miles. But that's all. I want to buy them like that.
Like, look how
That's
good
what I
the
like.
seat is. It's amazing. It smells good too.
Actually, the big one is look at how clean this quarter is. There's no rust. Nothing.
Beautiful.
Nothing at all. Even Bella's excited about it. See, definitely not fancy. All stock. But she does have oil, does have coolant,
Good. The necessities.
and pulls pretty good.
What are your plans to do with it? Just bring her back to life?
yeah.
Just some maintenance? Needs a clutch? Needs some brakes?
Big things, yeah. Timing belt hasn't been touched in 10 years, and don't like risking that. So we'll do that. Brakes are bad. I think we're gonna limp the clutch as long as I can. It's not slipping yet. There's just a little chatter when I let it out.
If it's not slipping, then that's fine.
Yeah, can handle full boost in third gear. So.
What does she make, like 12? 12 PSI? What's stock boost for this?
know.
Oh, there's no boost gauge. We don't know.
Probably, yeah, 12, 13. I think we'll be pretty safe.
Look, yeah. I said I'm never complacent. You know what we racing to, the odds that we're facing. Yeah.
It would be like a perfect rally car, you know. Well, I'm not talking about like racing rallying. You know, like just doing rallies with other car guys going north, driving good roads. Bella!
And the dream's about to fly away already fucking flew. So now it's you, an empty room filled with figurative wishes. Past thoughts of long nights with good girls and bad bitches, insignificant. Since it's all fucking gone now, reaching for the cane just so you can feel strong now. You get along, that's a tale that's always spun, but two wrongs make a right when there's no food for your son. You use guns for these funds, no sun in these skies, no sadness to be felt when there's no tears left to cry.
These times they come and go, and I just don't know where to run and go. It's just me, oh no. These lonely aching bones have been trying to find home. My head above the clouds, why am I alone? Inhaling fire, maybe that's why I'm in hell. My mind like a beat bar spit, still waiting up for that bell. Shit, where am I? And who have I become? These thoughts start to drain as the smoke fills my lungs. The stars ignite the sky, the pantry's still empty, so it's time to feed these rhymes.